Today, I'm going to show you how I used a free AI tool to rank #1 on Google in just 24 hours. This is not some paid software. This is not some complicated system. This is a brand new feature that most people don't even know exists yet. And I'm going to give you the exact three-phase system I used to dominate search results. Plus, I'll show you how one of my AI-generated videos got over 300 views and is ranking on page 1 right now. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Look, I've been doing SEO for years. I've helped thousands of people rank on Google. My agency makes 7 figures helping businesses get more traffic. But this new method I'm about to show you is the fastest way I've ever seen to rank content, and it's completely free. The tool I'm talking about is called NotebookLM, and they just rolled out a video feature that changes everything. In fact, they've already generated over 1.1 million videos since this feature launched just days ago. That's more content than most people could watch in their entire lifetime. But here's the thing. Most people are using this tool wrong. They're just uploading random stuff and hoping for the best. But I figured out a system, a 3-phase process that can get you ranking fast. And I'm going to break it all down for you today. First, let me show you proof this actually works. If I search for SEO training Honiton right now, you'll see one of my AI-generated videos ranking #2 on Google, right below my own website. This video was created entirely with NotebookLM. It got over 300 views without me doing any promotion, and it's bringing in leads for my business every single day. Now you might be thinking, Julian, that's great for you, but can this work for my business? The answer is yes, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But before we dive in, I need to tell you something. This method works so well that I only share the advanced stuff with my SEO Elite Circle members. These are the people getting the best results because they have access to my full playbook. If you want to skip the line and get the complete system, check the link in the description. I'll tell you more about that later. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what keyword you want to rank for. All right, let's get into the 3-phase system. The first thing you need to do is pick your target keyword. This is where most people mess up. They go after keywords that are way too competitive. Instead, you want to find low competition, high intent keywords. For example, SEO training plus your city name, or how to plus whatever topic you want to rank for. These local keywords are gold mines because there's less competition, but people searching for them are ready to buy. Here's how I find these keywords. I go to Google and start typing SEO training and see what comes up in the autocomplete. Those suggestions are real searches that people are doing. I also use tools like Ahrefs to check the competition level. Once you have your keyword, you need to gather your sources. This is where NotebookLM gets really powerful. You can add up to 300 sources. That's insane. Most people add 1 or 2 sources and wonder why their content isn't good enough. Here's what sources you should use: your blog posts, your YouTube videos, your training materials, your standard operating procedures, even your competitors' content that you can ethically reference. The key is to make sure all these sources are relevant to your target keyword. Don't just throw random stuff in there. Be strategic about it. Now, here's the secret sauce. You also need to train NotebookLM on your brand, add your about page, add your case studies, add your service pages, add any sales materials you have. Why? Because this ensures every piece of content it creates will naturally include calls to action for your business. I learned this the hard way. When I first started using NotebookLM, I was getting generic content that didn't help my business at all. But once I started adding my brand materials, every video it created was promoting my services without sounding spammy. Let me show you how easy this is. You go to NotebookLM, create a new project and start adding your sources. You can add website links, Google Docs, PDFs, or just copy and paste text directly. Once you have all your sources loaded, you click on Generate Video Overview. But here's where you need to be smart. Don't just hit generate and hope for the best. You need to customize it. Tell it to use 3rd grade language. This isn't because your audience is dumb, it's because simple language keeps people watching longer. The YouTube algorithm loves videos that keep people engaged. Tell it to make the content actionable, give people specific steps they can take, even add homework assignments. This increases engagement, which helps with rankings. And here's the money part. Tell it to include subtle upsells to your products or services, but make sure you say subtle. You don't want it to sound like a sales pitch. I also generate both audio and video overviews. The video is great for YouTube, the audio is perfect for podcasts. 2 pieces of content from one process. Now, while that's generating, let's talk about phase 2. Phase 2, optimize for SEO rankings. This is where the magic happens. Most people create their NotebookLM content and upload it as is. That's a huge mistake. You need to optimize everything for search engines. First, your title. This needs to include your target keyword naturally, but it also needs a hook, something that makes people want to click. For example, SEO training Honiton ranked number 1 with this AI trick. The description is even more important. The first 200 characters need to include your exact keyword. Then you add 200 to 300 words of keyword-rich copy. This is where you can include links to your funnels and related content. For YouTube, you need to add tags that include your keyword and variations. Make sure your file name includes the keyword before you upload. And here's something most people miss. Add captions or subtitles, upload an SRT file if you can. This gives YouTube more text to understand what your video is about. But wait, there's more. I'm about to share phase 3, which is how you can dominate the search results. But first, if you're serious about ranking on Google and making money with SEO, you need to check out my SEO Elite Circle. This is where I share my most advanced strategies. The stuff that my 7-figure agency uses to get results for clients. You get weekly hot seat calls where I solve your biggest problems live, direct access to me through DMs, live weekly calls that are also recorded, plus all my private case studies and swipe and deploy SOPs. Right now, there are only 45 spots left before the price goes up, and I offer a 14-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy, you get your money back. Check the link in the comments and description. And this is the phase that separates the winners from everyone else. Most people create content and put it in one place. That's leaving money on the table. Here's what you need to do. Take your NotebookLM content and distribute it everywhere. YouTube is your main platform for video rankings. Make sure you create a custom thumbnail with big, clear text. But don't stop there. Take the audio version and upload it to podcast platforms. SoundCloud, Spotify, Apple Podcasts. Each platform is a chance to rank for your keyword. I have one AI-generated audio file that ranks on page 1 of Google for how to do SoundCloud SEO. Create a blog post on your website, embed the video in the post, then add 800 to 1200 words of keyword-rich content. You can use NotebookLM to help generate this content too. Social media is next. Post snippets on LinkedIn, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Always include a call to action link to your strategy session. Here's an advanced move. Reach out to blogs and resource pages that link to training content about your keyword topic. Offer your NotebookLM video as an embeddable resource. This gets you high-quality backlinks, which boost your rankings even more. But here's the thing that really accelerates your rankings. Target local plus niche keywords for fastest results. Build internal links from your high-traffic pages to your new content. Get at least 5 backlinks from relevant sites to your YouTube video or blog post. And here's a pro tip. Re-upload and refresh your content every few months. This triggers the search algorithms and keeps your rankings fresh. Let me show you another example of this working. I created a Spanish version of one of my videos using NotebookLM. Same content, different language. Now I'm ranking in Spanish search results too. NotebookLM supports dozens of languages. You can literally dominate search results in multiple countries. The output language setting lets you choose from Chinese, Afrikaans, Spanish, Filipino, and pretty much every major language you can think of. Now, here's something cool. NotebookLM also has featured notebooks. These are like templates you can use for different topics, William Shakespeare, parenting advice, all sorts of stuff. You can use these as inspiration for your own content. But the real power comes from creating your own custom-trained notebook. Let me show you what I mean. I created a notebook trained entirely on my business, my about page, my case studies, my homepage. Now it's like having a custom AI that knows everything about my company. When I ask it to create a blog post about SEO training in any city, it writes it in my voice, it includes my case studies, it naturally mentions my free strategy session. It's like having a content writer who knows my business inside and out. You can do the same thing, add your website pages as sources, train it on your brand, then use it to create endless content that promotes your business. But here's what I really want you to understand. This isn't just about creating content, it's about building a system that can scale your business. Think about it. You can create content in multiple languages, distribute it across multiple platforms, rank for hundreds of keywords, all with one tool. I'm using this system to create content for my agency, training videos for my team, marketing materials for my courses, and it's all happening automatically. The key is to be strategic about it. Don't just create content for the sake of creating content. Make sure everything you create serves a purpose for your business. Now, before I wrap this up, let me give you the complete action plan. Step 1, pick 3 to 5 low competition keywords in your niche. Use the Google autocomplete method I showed you. Step 2, create a NotebookLM project for each keyword. Add relevant sources plus your brand materials. Step 3, generate video and audio overviews for each project. Customize them with third-grade language and subtle upsells. Step 4, optimize everything for SEO. Titles, descriptions, tags, file names. Step 5, distribute across all platforms. YouTube, podcasts, blog posts, social media. Step 6, build backlinks to your best performing content. Step 7, track your rankings and double down on what's working. This system works, I've proven it works, my students are getting results with it, but you need to take action. And if you want the complete system with all my advanced strategies, check out my SEO Elite Circle. This is where I share everything, the tactics I use to run a 7-figure agency, the case studies I can't share publicly, the exact templates and SOPs that get results. You get weekly hot seat calls where I solve your biggest problems live, direct access to me through DMs, weekly training calls, a 6-week roadmap if you're starting from scratch, plus all my best automations and templates. Right now, there are only 4 or 5 spots left before the price goes up. I never reduce prices. They only go up as we add more value and limit the number of members. If you want to skip the line and start getting results immediately, check the link in the comments and description. And if you want me to personally audit your business and build AI automations for you, you can book a free strategy session. On that call, we'll audit your current situation, figure out what systems you need, and I'll show you exactly how my team can build everything for you. The links for both are in the comments and description. Look, I've been in the SEO game for years. I've seen tools come and go, but NotebookLM is different. This is a game changer. And right now you have first mover advantage. Most people don't know this feature exists yet. Most people aren't using it strategically, but now you have the complete system. You know exactly what to do. The question is, will you take action? Or will you wait until everyone else figures this out and the competition gets harder? The choice is yours. But if you're smart, you'll start implementing this system today. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so drop a comment below and let me know what keyword you're going to target first. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI and SEO tips. I'll see you in the next video.